Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your Creative Outlier Go. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that right here we have this connection button. Press and hold it for at least a second. Here we go. Now you can release your finger. And firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after hard reset this earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!